Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining. So before we get started, I want to make sure everyone can hear me clearly. So if you can hear me, please go ahead and maybe react so I can know we are all set to begin the meeting. Kindly. Awesome. Let me share my screen. So my name is Marilyn. I'm so happy to be here today. I'm currently serving as a chapter lead for the Microsoft LAN Ambassador Program, and I'm also a Microsoft LAN Ambassador myself. In my role as a chapter lead, I work with a group of students to help drive technical and leadership initiatives within our community. Yeah, so basically that's me. And welcome to today's event that is to get ready to join our program. So that is the Microsoft Learn Ambassador Program. I'm going to guide you through the application process and what you need to know before getting into that program. So that's our agenda for today. We're going to look at the overview of the Microsoft Ambassador Program, the roles and responsibilities of a MLSA, the community engagement, the success stories that we have. Then I'm going to take you through the application process. And if you have any questions, we'll have a session for that. Yeah, basically that's it. That's our agenda for today. Um, so what is MLSA, or what does this program entail? So the Microsoft Learn Ambassador Program is a worldwide initiative aimed to empower students by offering them a platform to enhance their technical leadership and communication skills through hands-on learning, communication building, mentorship. Yeah, mentorship. Basically, that's it. Yeah, that's that's what entails. That's what the program entails. It's just a worldwide initiative that is aimed to empower students by offering them a platform to enhance their technical leadership and communication skills through hands-on learn and community building and also mentorship. So as a Microsoft ambassador, we also do have our benefits. So we're not going to join the program without having those benefits. So once you join the program, you're going to have a subscription for the Microsoft 365. So as a Microsoft Learn Ambassador, one of the key benefits you receive is the access to the full sites of the Microsoft 365 tools and services. So these include popular applications such as Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook, which are essential for productivity and also collaboration in both academic and professional settings. Yes. Um, so with Microsoft 365, you also get access to cloud services like you also get access to cloud services like OneDrive for storage and sharing, Teams for efficient communication and collaboration with peers and mentors, and SharePoint for managing and organizing documents across projects. So these tools are not only for day-to-day tasks, but they are for organizing events. Once you become an ambassador, one of the major tasks for you're going to be assigned, you're going to organize events, working on groups project, and also sharing resources in an organized manner. Then one of the biggest advantages is the free Azure credits provided to MLSs, which gives us hands-on experience with the platform without worrying about cost. So these credits can be used to experiment with various Azure services such as virtual machines, Azure apps services, talk about database making it easier to build and test our project in a real-world environment. So for those aspiring to become MLSs, you're going to have that privilege. Then one of the incredible benefits we receive is free access to Visual Studio Code Enterprise, which is a powerful open source code editor developed by Microsoft. So this tool is widely used by developers across the world. We all know of VS Code for writing code, debugging. I won't explain much about that. We also do have trainings, that is exclusive access to training and also resources. One of the standout benefit of being an MLSA is the exclusive access to world-class training and resources provided by Microsoft. So as MLSAs, we have access to an extensive library of learning materials through a platform like Microsoft Learn. Let me show you that platform. I'm sure most of you know about it. This one. I'm talking about this platform. So if you don't have an account, just go and create one. It's free for students. Yeah. So you have access to Microsoft Learn, which offers structured, self-paced courses across a wide range of topics such as cloud computing, AI, data science, and software development. Yeah, for it, let me just show you mine. That is my profile. Yeah, so far, iko hivyo for now. Yeah, my path, I'm a software developer. So once you create an account here, you choose a path that you want to follow, either AI and machine learning or software development, stuff to do with cloud computing. Yeah. Okay. Another benefit you do get is the networking opportunities with Microsoft professionals. So being part of the MLSA program, it opens up a wealth of networking opportunities with Microsoft professionals and experts from around the globe. So we have the chance to connect with engineers, product managers, and other tech professionals within Microsoft, allowing us to learn directly from the industry best. So these networking opportunities help us to gain insight into the latest trends in the technology, career advice, and even potential internship or jobs opening. So yeah, most ambassadors, they have that higher chance to work at Microsoft or get an internship at Microsoft. So that's a plus. Another thing is you develop leadership and communication skills. So as MLA says, we not only build our technical skills, but also have the unique opportunity to develop leadership and communication skills. One of the primary responsibilities as MLA says is to organize and lead communities, events, workshops, initiatives that engage fellow students in tech and innovation. So by leading these activities, we'll learn how to manage team, communicate effectively with a diverse audience and culture. So this leadership experience, they help to refine our ability to motivate and also guide others while owning our public speaking and presentation skills. Yeah, that's another benefit. And also you gain value and experience and recognition also. So finally, being a part of the MLSA program, it will give you that chance to so being part of the program, it provides us with a valuable experience and also recognition that can help enhance our resume and professional profiles. So by working on projects, speaking on events, or mentoring fellow students, we gain hands-on experience that showcase our technical expertise, leadership abilities, and initiatives. Then the recognitions we receive from Microsoft from our contribution can help open doors for internships, full-time roles, and collaborations with other tech leaders. Yeah, and another benefit, let me just share my screen. I mean, it's yeah. Let me just choose this post. Uh, if you're able to see my screen, unaona chupa and all that. These are Microsoft Ambassador swag. So once you join the program, for every new ambassador, you get a new swag that is zenye unaona hapo kwa screen. So once you join the program, every ambassador gets those swags plus a certificate. That's another benefit we do get. Yeah, we'll have a unique certificate, yeah, and some stuff to motivate you to continue being active in the program. Um, so the roles and the responsibilities of MLSA, your roles, I think I've talked much about it. You're going to be organizing events. That is one of the main responsibilities of the MLSA, to organize and lead tech events such as workshops, hackathons, webinars, and study groups for fellow students. So these events focus on helping others learn about the Microsoft technology such as Azure, VS Code, GitHub, and more. So ambassadors are expected to create an inclusive environment that encourages learning and also collaboration, while also showcasing their leadership abilities to manage these events from start to finish. Also, another role is to promote Microsoft technologies. That is, the MLSA is tasked with being an advocate for Microsoft tools and technologies such as Azure, VS Code. Talk about them all, Microsoft 365. This involve spreading awareness of the new updates, promoting hands-on learning resources like Microsoft Learn. So once you join the program, you are being given a unique ID. So I'm going to talk about that later. There's also mentorship, and I think I've talked about mentorship. Just mentoring and supporting your peers as MLSA. You are expected to be a mentor and resource for your peers in the tech community. This involves helping fellow students who are learning about cloud computing, AI, and other tech-related topics. Yeah, just mentoring them. Then you foster a collaboration within the MLSA network. That is, ambassadors are encouraged to collaborate with other MLSAs across the globe to share ideas. So once you become an ambassador, you'll have that access to meet other ambassadors from other countries. That is globally, because Microsoft is a global company. So you'll be able to share ideas, resources, and experience, either online forums, virtual meeting, or cross-chapter events. Yes. Yeah, so another responsibility is for you to act as a brand ambassador for the Microsoft. Yeah, that's why the program is called MLSA. That is Microsoft Learn Ambassador Program. So you act as an ambassador. The important and this one is an important role in promoting the Microsoft brand within the university and local communities and online. So this involves sharing Microsoft values, showcasing the latest products and technologies. So that's another responsibility. Also contribute to the community impact. So once umekuwa ambassador, hauna kazi mingi. Yako tu ni kuhost event and also brand the company. Then that's all. Na unapata all those benefits nimeonyesha hapo juu. Yes. Responsibilities. Yeah. I've talked about tech skills, communication, and also leadership. I think I've talked about all these ones. So you're going to build network connection with peers, mentorship, and industry professionals. I've talked about that one, sharing your knowledge and experience and supporting other students, that is by hosting events and mentoring them once you become an ambassador. Also organizing events to inspire and educate your community. So once you're an ambassador, you'll have that privilege to host much events as possible. So because that will be your core responsibility. Yeah. These are okay. I won an award, that is the ADC Champion Award. It was designed to recognize individuals who have demonstrated outstanding leadership, contribution, and dedication to promoting Microsoft Azure and its associated technologies within the developer community. So if I wasn't an ambassador, definitely singeshinda hii award. So because I was an ambassador, nilishinda such an award. That was last year. And also I was amongst the panelists at a global event for Microsoft. It was held in Kenya, that is the ADC at breakfast. So I was a panelist. So imagine kama singekuwa ambassador, singepata such an opportunity. So it's a great platform and it's a great community for you to be in. So I'm going to take you through the application process and show you guys how you can apply to become an ambassador. Any question till there? Okay. Okay, so guys, you can log into the official website, that is the MLSA. This site, you log into this site, that is the Microsoft Learn Ambassador. This is the official site for applying. And then you can go through this page. I won't go through it because it has a lot. just go through it. But once you become an ambassador, we have 3 milestones. That is this badge here, this one is for the new ambassadors. Then this one here is for the beta, and this one here, if you become like very actively involved in the community, utakuwa gold ambassador. This one is the top one. Yeah, so once you join, you are a new ambassador. Then after hosting several events, you advance. Now you become a beta ambassador. And if you are actively involved in the community, you become a gold ambassador. And every milestone has its own benefits, different. Like kila milestone iko na benefits zake. So mtu mwenye ako a new ambassador cannot get the same benefit as someone who is in gold level. Let me just say gold level. So someone who's in gold level has more access to Microsoft technologies, and also a high chance of attending more Microsoft events, even global events, not only in Kenya. So yes, those are the 3 milestones for ambassadors. So for you to apply, just get started. Here, if you have an Outlook, if you have an Outlook email, you can sign in with it. But if you don't have one, just create a new account. But I'll suggest you create a new Outlook account. Even if you have one, just create a new one for this purpose. I can't create because already I have mine. I have my own account. Let me just see what I can do. It's tricky. Okay, so once you register now, let me just take you through the process. But hope you get the point, because I'd already registered with another email, siezi register tena. So you have to sign in with either an Outlook account if you have one. If you don't have one, just create one. But I'll prefer for this purpose, even if you have an Outlook account, just create another one for you to be able to register to be able to apply for that program. So once you are in, itakuwa inakaa hivi. The registration process itakuwa inakaa hivi. The first one, there's a notification here. So don't ignore this notification. So after you register for the ambassador program, you'll be invited to join the Microsoft student developer community on Discord. I'm talking about this community here. This one here. But since I joined Microsoft. I joined this program back in 2020. That is the MLSA program. This process is a new process that was initiated last year. So once you join the Discord community, you're going to get such notification. Let me use another channel. Utapata such notification, like your Discord itakuwa inakaa hivi with such announcements. On my end, the Microsoft student developer sina such notifications, but once you join the community, utapata such notification. I'm going to show you how. So after you register, you'll be invited to join the Microsoft developer community on Discord. That is once you umemaliza kuregister until the end and you submit your application, you're going to get an email from Microsoft with a link ya Discord for you to join. Once you join, itakuwa na all those announcements on what you should do. Itakuwa na everything. Itakuwa na the process on how to. Let me just start from the start ndio nisiwa confused. So yeah, I think for us ni hii tu hapa. to join the Discord community. Then there's this privacy and whatever. You have to go through it. So for you to become an ambassador, you must be 16 years and above, be enrolled in a full-time, maybe university or a college, and not be a Microsoft employee. Page. Hapa unajaza your own personal details. Yes. And then the preferred language. Make sure you choose the correct one. Usidanganye. If you don't know Python, don't select Python. Kama ujui that, don't select that. Yeah, so even if you know 3 languages, just go with them. Because once the same languages, itakuwa tested kwa Discord. So, because utakuwa na kinda, what am I going to call it? I'm going to show you guys. So select the languages that you're so comfortable with, and also you're comfortable nayo kufunza watu, because you're going to be hosting events, technical events. Yes. So let me just choose those ones. Okay, for online and network, here you had your social media accounts. That is either LinkedIn or Instagram, Facebook, just add, but add at least zikuwe at least five social media socials. That is, hapa ndio watu wengi huwa wanatolewa, like wanakuwa denied, or application zao zinakuwa denied because of the influence kwa social media. So at least make sure you have at least 5. You can add either Discord or LinkedIn. Add Discord, LinkedIn, which one else? Instagram, Facebook, yoyote. Yes, so Stack Overflow. Let me just add this one. Okay, for the academic information, don't lie, just say sidanganye. Maybe just science. Okay, expected graduation date. Hapo unaweza danganya, unaweza sema una graduate either 2029, I don't know, but you can lie, hii ina issue, because you can stay, like nataka mkuwe much active in the, like usitolewe kwa program haraka, because if you ile date utaweka hapo una graduate, kama umesema una graduate in 2025, the same date ndio utakuwa kicked out of the program. So for you to stay, like you want to enjoy the benefit and ukae kwa hiyo program for long, you can, eka a later date, maybe 1 year before enye itakuwa mbele, that is okay. Here information. Okay, which of the following technologies interest you? So same case to this one. Just make sure you unaweka chenye una feel like inaku motivate. Let me just use that term. If you are into AI, just put AI. In blockchain maybe, or networking. Yes, but haina shida, hii haina issue, you can select as much as you can. So after hapo what is the display name of your Microsoft Learn account? All registered members are required to have a Microsoft Learn account. If you don't have a Learn account, create one now. So the one that I was telling you about, that is the Microsoft Learn. That is the Microsoft Learn. This one. So if you don't have an account for Microsoft Learn, make sure you create an account. Ujaze jina yako hapa kwa in this space. Sorry. Hapa. Let me just put something. So if you don't have an account for Microsoft Learn, you must go and register. Once registered, unakuja na submit your Microsoft Learn name hapa. Then you submit your, once you are done, you submit your details and you'll get an email from Microsoft. Yeah, once you are done, you'll get an email from Microsoft. You see, my application is under review. So let me see if I got an email. Oh no. So once you submit your application, you're going to get an email from Microsoft. Let me see here. This is how you are this is how your whatever will look like. Your portal. Once you register and you submit your details. Yeah, so this one is the Discord community that you're supposed to join in Discord for Microsoft Student Developer Community. This one is for Microsoft. So once you get the email, it will direct you to this community here. But on my end, because I joined back in 2020, I'm not able to, that is the new process for applying. So I'm not able to get such information. But once you join in using your Discord, the link that Microsoft are going to share, you're going to get such notification. Kama hizi hapa, this one here. It will get kutakuwa na code of contact and also steps to guide you through okay, you're supposed to do let me call it a technical challenge. So kutakuwa na step guide. Itakuwa a step guide to show you how to complete the technical bit of it of your application. So once umemalizana na the technical bit of it, once umemalizana na the technical bit of it, you'll get an email from Microsoft wakikuinform that umemaliza, and the next step now is the onboarding process. Then unakuwa onboarded into the program and you become an ambassador. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, so make sure you have a Discord account and also a Microsoft Learn account for you to be eligible kwa kukuwa Microsoft ambassador. Hizo mbili. Yes, that's it. So if you have any question, you can ask me. I'm going to guide you through. If you are willing to become an ambassador, my DM are always open, so you can DM me anytime, and I'm going to guide you through. We also have one of our own student who managed to go through that process. It can also help. Yes. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'm waiting for questions. Yes, Nduku. I don't know. Yeah, you can ask.
Hi, Marilyn. I'm not sure if you can hear me.
I can hear you.
I just wanted to ask, is there like a limit to the number of MLSA ambassadors in a school?
Not really. We can have as much ambassadors as possible in our school. For instance,
Oh,
Kirinyaga University has almost 50 ambassadors. Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. So in our school, we have only 2 ambassadors, and unfortunately, I'm the only active ambassador. So I want to recruit more ambassadors.
Okay, good to know. Good to know.
Yeah.
I think I'll be reaching out to you so you can take me through the application process again.
Okay, sure, no problem.
Thanks.
Okay. Any other question? And my apologies. I thought I was presenting all this time, showing you the process of applying. Nikapata I was not presenting. So guys, I'm sorry about that. But you can visit the Microsoft Learn. You can visit the Microsoft Learn ambassador. That the official website. Kutakuwa na steps on how to apply. But in case ulemewe, just hit my DM. I'm going to show you. Any other question? Okay, so if there's not any other question, imagine that's all about MLSs, the MLSA program. It's a nice program. Uh, Imelandisha watu wengi internship at Microsoft, starting from Gatere to Amphi. You know Amphi and Majan. They were once ambassadors. They're now working at Microsoft as interns. Yeah, so it's a great it's a great thing and a great platform for you to grow as a dev and also as a tech student. Yeah, so guys, thanks for joining. Um, as I've nimesema, my DMs are always open. If you want to apply, I'm going to take you through the process of applying. And thanks guys for joining. Yes. You can leave on your